So today we're riding the 06 FJR. It's an 06 older bike, but it's only got 4,500 miles. I thought it was a steal, but the thing's fun. I think she's worn. Okie dokie. And we're off. Weird. I still left the e-brake on. Wow, what a nice day to ride. We are Shakamoto. We are rating drivers. We are rating you. If you catch a Shaka, you're doing excellent work. If you do bad, then it's no Shaka for you. Boom shakalaka. The boom shakalaka. Try to squeeze through here without whacking anybody's mirror. Yes, sir. We got no Shaka for you. Catch a Shaka. Whoops. A little whistle going on in this helmet. My shoulder pads. We got all the right gear on today. You got to dress for the slide, prepare for the slide. I got my sweat shorts. They were sweatpants, cut them. And I got my Ohana Baba Shop shirt, t-shirt. It's CE negative, AAA rated. Everybody's working for the weekend. How's it, brother? Burp. I know you guys can't smell this, but it is smelling like some bomb tacos. I think I'm hungry. We're here at Pedro's. I think we're back in effect. There we go. Just paid Pedro. You do some bushings in there. Front fork seals. Surprise! There she goes. She gets a Shaka for moving over. Shaka. Let's see if it's Johnny Law on the job. How is it, brother? Nope. Look at that oil. Whoa. Somebody blew their oil. Dude, that'll take a bike right out. That's aiming in doom. Hit one of those once. Bike came right out from under me. Not fun. Slid on my stomach. Didn't have my gloves on. Always wear my gloves. Didn't have them on the one day, so I guess I don't always wear my gloves. Barely touched my hands to the ground, dude. Sanded off the little corners on my palms. Not good. Little Saigon riding a motorcycle here is kind of playing with your life. Oh, this guy's got grease. Ooh, I don't know if I want grease. It's a good way to fall down. I'm liking the FJR. When you buy a bike, look at the fork seals, tires, how it's been ridden. Ask them about the service, any service papers. He didn't have any of that. It was dark. Try not to do it at nighttime. You can't see anything. Take it for a test cruise, which it would have passed the test cruise. It sounded great. Look at that. Shaka for you. Thank you. Watch out for this guy. Watch out for this girl. They do this all the time. They don't know when the light is red and the light is green what to do. Vive tu estrella. Today we're going to be cruising by the barber shop. We're going to get ourselves a haircut. Con permiso, camioneta. El camioneta. Let's see if I could smash. Inches. Woo. Front of the line, boys. Yes, digging the FJR. Got a little oomph. It's got a little oomph. Hello. And how's your father? So fucking hungry. Got to eat something.